Hello friends, welcome to Dokazar. This is Ganesh. In this video, we are going to Wankhede Stadium to watch IPL. We started our journey at 4:30 p.m. and you can see that the bridge which is connected to Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. Now you can see our car is going through a tunnel. Finally, we reached the stadium. Me and Rama made paintings of Mumbai Indians on our cheeks. You can see there are different things to take pictures, selfies, and this is the theme song of this year of Mumbai Indians. You can see that we made some banner to cheer up our players. And we took some pictures and we were saying, "We love Mumbai, we love Mumbai." And it was the birthday of Hitman Rohit Sharma. The fans were celebrating his birthday. We were waving the flag to cheer up the team players.
Sharma. The fourth umpire is Weber Dogre.
And now at 7:30 p.m. the match started. And now the second session started. Now Mumbai Indians are batting.
Six. Oh! White ball. Six. Oh! White ball.
And now this is the last ball. And Tim David hit a six. Mumbai Indians won the match against RR by 6 wickets. You can see this very nice poster of Mumbai Indians. Now we are going to home and you can see this very nice lightings. And the time is 12:15. We are going to home. See you guys in next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.